Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve DePoe, realtor with the Rose Realty team. Today's Texas Real Estate Answers topic, seller concessions, a smart negotiation tactic, not a sign of weakness. In today's Denton County housing market, flexibility is the new power move, and one of the smartest tools in a seller's toolbox is often misunderstood, the seller concession. If the word concession makes you think you're giving up too much, it's time to reframe that thinking. As a real estate strategist and planner serving North Texas, I'm here to tell you, concessions aren't about surrendering leverage. They're about using it strategically. What is a seller concession and why it works? Let's simplify it. A seller concession is when the seller agrees to cover some of the buyer's expenses. Think closing costs, prepaid taxes, or a temporary mortgage rate buydown. Here's the catch. It's not charity. It's a deal maker. In markets like North Denton or Little Elm, where buyers are getting cold feet due to high interest rates or tight budgets, offering a closing cost credit can spark real interest without you having to drop your asking price by a dime. Why concessions work better than price cuts? Let's run the numbers. A $10,000 price drop might reduce a buyer's mortgage payment by about $60 a month. But a $5,000 seller credit toward closing costs, that could be the difference between a buyer saying yes or walking away. That's especially important for first-time buyers in towns like Corinth or Argyle, where every dollar counts upfront. We help sellers attract strong offers by simply shifting the way they present value, not by cutting prices. When to use concessions and when to hold off. Yes to concessions when your listing is similar in price to nearby homes but needs an edge. Your home has been on the market a few weeks with no strong offers. You're marketing to FHA, VA, or first-time homebuyers. You're in a price band with a lot of inventory. Maybe not when you're in a hot zone like Highland Village or Frisco, where homes are flying off the shelf. You're already receiving multiple offers or above asking interest. Remember, it's not about throwing money at the problem. It's about offering the right help to the right buyer. That's where local expertise becomes non-negotiable. Creative concessions that actually close deals. Here are a few strategies we've used successfully across Denton County. Closing cost assistance, interest rate buydown, especially effective right now. Repair allowances, eliminate objections before the inspection. Home warranty coverage, gives buyers peace of mind. Each of these gives your buyer breathing room while keeping your bottom line protected. Final word, use concessions to win, not to compromise. Seller concessions are no longer a last resort. They're a competitive edge when used wisely. With the right approach, you stay in control of your sale price while meeting buyers where they are financially. If you're thinking of listing soon and wondering how to craft the best offer strategy, let's talk. I'll help you decide whether concessions make sense for your home, your neighborhood, and your goals. Wait 2 seconds for our contact information.